Here we are. This is from Marcy at It's a Teacher Thing, wanting to know if I use video pins. Yes, they are fabulous. If you have not started video pins, you need to get started on them. And they are super easy to make. And I think we talked about this in a recent Facebook Live, but video pins are fabulous and you should do them. Hey, if it's going to take me more than 10 to 15 minutes to do, it isn't happening. So I have a blog post that walks you through some different ways you can do video pins. So I'm not going to rehash that here. So tips for creating them. Yep, it's in my blog post. I'm going to link that up. Do I see an increase in traffic from these pins? Here's the thing. It's hard to talk about increases in traffic right now because we, as you know, are in this crazy COVID thing and have been since mid-March. So Pinterest is just hanging out. And I'm just hanging out with it. And I'm not getting all uptight about where my numbers are. So I never get uptight about where my numbers are anyways. But what I do know is that people are looking at my video pins. Some people get worked up over their numbers. I don't. I know that there are ups and downs to TPT. I know that there are ups and downs to Pinterest. Let me see. I got to scroll through. So here's one. This is a video. This is for a digital product. So I wanted it to look like it was happening on, a laptop. So that is one. I added a video into that. Everything else on the pin sits still. This one I did in Keynote. Keynote is on Macs. It's the same thing as PowerPoint, pretty much. That was just an animated, it's not quite animating correctly because I have two videos sitting next to each other. And when you do that, they won't both play and they don't always play correctly. So sometimes I'll go in and move my video pins around. Lots of ways that you can do them, make them. That's my advice. And I've linked that blog post.